buddy, alright?
Yeah, you. I look so angry, that was
Morning, Patrick. So, well, it's not really morning now because you're about to go for lunch. So let's be honest with the viewers, it is 10 to 1. Busy morning. Ian's M2 was in, springs and spaces already done, bit of carbon already done, power riser's already done. Good thing about his power riser, he had on his M4 that he sold because he bought an S3 for changing jobs, and then he sold his S3 to buy an M2. His power riser's gone with him, car to car to car, so we can reprogram take to the next one. But he was in today for his Remus with his chrome tailpipes. What did you reckon?
very nice.
Nick? We liked it. We had a 135 iron for Remus, just gone. That already has Motech start springs and spaces on. And now I'm a little bit in love with this 718 Cayman S.
Nick is making sweet, sweet love to a Porsche.
It's quite close to it, bless him. Yeah, so this is in for Remus Powerzier, so this is going to be fast.
It gives, now Remus quote, some stupid figures, don't they?
I will go and confirm the exact figures, and I'll put them in the link below, but it is about 60 horsepower, about 85, 90 newton meters of torque, so it's going to be a freaking fast car. Let's get on with it. Patrick knows me really quite well actually for working with me for a long time. I like Porsches, I like turbocharging, I like boost, I like fast cars, I like this. Yes, they don't sound the best, these 718s, they sound a bit like a tumble drive, we can fix that. Fast, good car. Well, sign me up, where do I sign? That's what I've got really to say on one of them. We should be doing more, in fact I think I've got another one booked to these coming in for a power riser. I think it's like 90, 95 newton meters of torque. It just pulls and pulls and pulls. I'd have one of them over an M2.
Really?
Yeah. I love the M2. I love the M2 a lot. I was really surprised with not that colour. But I'm really surprised. That's a really good car. We need to be doing more Porsches, Patrick. What do you think? Yeah. And in fact, they've got a much better key as well.
Oh, yeah, phenomenal.
On that note, tell me if you like Porsches. We want to know.
And we'll see you in the next clip.
Down below.
Tomorrow.
I don't know what that down below means. Comment down below.
No, I was just saying we'll see you in the next. I'm going to stop the video.
These little things walking up. Oh, invoice almost fell out of his pocket. Huh? Do you know what this is, Patrick?
Power!
It is. Nick, explain to the lovely people what this is.
It is a high-flow cat.
High-flow sports cat bike.
Meow!
Yes. 135 iron pre-LCI for Maxton side skirts, Remus exhaust, and this lovely little bad boy. We will be doing a comparison, putting the two next to each other so you can see the difference. This won't need mapping out, won't have engine management lights on the dashboard, and it will still pass an MOT. So perfect, excited to get this on. So should be a good one. What do you think? You're excited to do these?
Yeah, because I think it makes a difference to the noise.
It really does, yeah. Well, that's a box. So if the original one is bigger, making them.
Yeah, so I'm interested to see how much more it pops and crackles, because the 125s are a bit more aggressive on the old poppily crackly
They are.
than the 140s. But having said that, that's wicked.
It's good, isn't it?
Also,
Fits.
an M2.
Yeah, so 135i, 235 and M2 are the same part number, and in this hand, which I haven't got one, is an M240i and 140i. It's a different sports car, but we can get one as well for you. So it'd be nice to do a few more of those coming in. What else we got today? 335D in for mapping. We're waiting for some more Mercedes. Next week looks next week is still pulling faces. Looks like it's going to be a Mercedes week. We've got A45 in for Remus, and there's a box there. Actually, I'll put that down. For a
fee!
a fee.
A fee exhaust.
And on that note, let's watch Nick break all his knuckles and get really, really hot because he's sweating. Oh, and bad news, everybody. Nick thinks he's got a day off tomorrow.
So I'm going to quickly show you the differences between a sports cat, the Remus 200cc sports cat, and the original M135i stock cat. So this is the difference. What we can already see is there's a massive difference in size of the box. So we've basically half the box size, and also the pipe leading off the box then is bigger. So it does make a big difference in the noise. And like Mike said earlier, doesn't put any EML lights on the dashboard, so no engine management lights. Runs completely in tandem with the catback exhaust system, so it sounds